Trouble continues to mount for Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in the Muda land allotment case. Now, day after the Karnataka High Court dismissed Siddaramaiah's play against the governor's sanction, a special court has ordered an FIR be filed in connection to the matter. And the Mysuru Lokayukta has been ordered to conduct a thorough probe into the alleged irregularities and submit a report within 3 months, that is. Citing these new developments, the BJP is demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister. However, Siddaramaiah maintains he will not resign and will take part in the investigation. Listen.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆದೇಶದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನು ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುತೂಹಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಿಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕೇರಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕದು. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತನಿಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Investigation has been ordered by the court. Let investigation take up. There are charge sheet against various ministers, MLAs of BJP government also in the entire country. Why they are not demanding the resignation of them?
He is willing to face the investigation. Okay, I welcome his statement. But at the same time, he should remember that he is the Chief Minister of the state. Once Lokayukta police start investigation, there cannot be a free and impartial investigation. So I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, without wasting further time, he should hand over investigation to CBI, and also taking on moral grounds, he should resign from the post of the Chief Minister.
इस तरह के जहां प्रकरण, इससे गंभीर प्रकरण जो आए हैं, बीजेपी ने कहां रिजाइन किया है, किस किस पद से रिजाइन किया है, उनको अपने गिरेबान को झांकना चाहिए. जो खुद करते नहीं, जो खुद के लिए उचित नहीं समझते, केवल दूसरों को सलाह देने का काम करते हैं, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का चरित्र बन गया.
You see, it is quite expected. Their ecosystem is like that. It's in the Congress DNA. Corruption is the mainstay of their party. And especially as far as Karnataka is concerned, the total Congress party depends on the earning from Karnataka. कोर्ट में जाना उनका अधिकार है, चले जाएं. He can delay his resignation, but ultimately he had to resign. So we want them to be thoroughly exposed to the public of Karnataka that not only Siddaramaiah, anybody who comes from Congress is equally corrupt.
Early in the day, the BJP staged a massive protest against Siddaramaiah over the Muda row. Karnataka cops detained BJP workers in Bengaluru as they attempted to surround Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's official residence. For the moment, let's leave it at that.